Richie 6-string fun. Quick little lesson. I don't think it'll take too long. Something I've been wanting to do for quite a few years now. I just never really did it, I guess, for whatever reason. But Colin Hay, off of the was it Fierce Mercy record? I think it is. I think it's first Fierce Mercy. Anyway, the song is Tumblin' Down. So somebody fact check me on that album. I'm not going to go back and look at it now, but I think it's Fierce Mercy. So what we're doing here is, number one, we're taking a standard tuned guitar, and it's double drop D tuning. So the high E and the low E, we're going to drop that a whole step so they're both D. Okay? Right? Capo on the 7th fret. Okay? And then it's really just a couple different shapes based out of a D major. And as we're strumming here, we're not really hitting these open, or I should say the higher strings a whole lot. If you do, it's okay. I think a lot of it's up here on the lower register strings. So, and as far as the finger positions, do it however you feel is more comfortable for you. You know, let's just take a D shape. All right? So we're going to take our middle finger off, open string here on the first string. So it's really a D suspended 2, right? This guy's going to stay here almost the entire song, I think. So your ring finger is staying on that. Again, we're going to go relative to the capo. So this is the nut. So frets 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? So this guy here is on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And then index fingers here on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. So 2nd string, 3rd string. And let that 1st string ring open for now. And it's just a matter of putting the tempo together and the changes. So this is the first shape. The second shape is we're going to take our index finger, move it to the 5th string of the 2nd fret. So. All right. And then here's where you've got to figure out what the finger positions work best for you. We want to get our ring finger up here and then still hold that D shape right there. So if you want, we could even just keep our fingers here for the whole song. Again, leave this one stationary. And then this guy comes up here, and then we go back to the original position. And that's pretty much the whole song with a couple little things thrown in just to kind of... So some odd ways to get the finger positions in there. So that's probably the hardest part of the song. The shapes are easy. It's just getting there, right? So let's go back. Let's do it this way. So this is how we're going to hold this. It's like a D5 almost. All right, at least that shape. So 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret. And we're just going to come in the way it's going to, I mean, it's an acoustic type of song. So I'll come in. So for our purposes, if you're a solo artist doing this, we'll come in like this. And that'll be your strumming pattern for most of the song, okay? So let's do these different shapes here. Alright, so we're just going with this shape. I'm bringing my index finger up to the 2nd fret of the 5th string. That's my bass note, so to speak. And I'm going to put my ring finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string and bring the index finger back down to that D shape. So it's this, to this, to this, to that. That's pretty much the rhythm and the chords for the song. So just work on that, and then you're gonna hear some different, like some walk ups and walk downs in there. tumbling down, tumbling down. So it's open on the 6, so you hear that. And that's where you got to really work on that. I mean, even as long as I've been playing it, it's kind of tough to get that change in there. So the tumbling down part, open 6, 2 6, 4 6, tumbling, tumbling down. So you're taking that walk. Right? And if you can get that in the right spots with the right changes, it's really a cool sounding song. It really is. Tumbling down, down, tumbling down, tumbling. I mean, if you could make that change, leaving that finger right there the whole time. Tough one, but that's the song, and that's really how it kind of you put it together for the most part. So again, so it's there. So give it a shot. It's once you get the hang of the changes, it's very, very doable. A little different for several reasons. The altered tuning, the capo all the way up on the 7th fret here, just some of these. So and that walk is going to be, again, open on the 6th string, open 2 4. To the 4th string, 5th string open. 2nd fret of the 5th string. 4th fret of the 5th string. Open on the 4th string. All right, so a little tricky, but I think you can do it. It's worth a shot, just to try something different and get you out of your comfort zone, maybe, as it is for me with this song. So keep working on it. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one, folks. Take care. All right, folks, later.